everybody, welcome back to the second part of the build series. Today we're going to be building a new trail. It's going to come off of the old one, and it is going to make an exit so you don't go in and out the same spot. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so now that we are on the trail, I have two questions for you guys. First question is, do you guys like this camera view? It's a chest mount for my GoPro. As you guys know, all of my videos are filmed with my GoPro or my drone. So those are the two cameras I use to film. So if it's a little shaky, it is an older GoPro. It's a Hero 5 Black. So yeah, I might be getting a gimbal for it, so it might make the videos a little bit more stable. So look out for that in the future. And second question, what should we name this trail? I cannot stress enough, we need a name for our trails, and we want you guys to pick. So in the comments below, put trail names in. Thank you. So without further ado, we are gonna get into trail building. So let me just clarify for you guys what is going on here. So this is the main trail coming through here, right? So this is the main trail, and then you go up this way and out and that way over towards Kyle's. Then you loop back around and you're coming back through. I don't want us to have to go back through the same trail and possibly like collide with people, or I don't know. I just want a second exit or an exit for the trail, because we've been just going in and out the start, which I don't really like. So I think this is going to be a perfect exit spot. A little hill climb, some bricks and stuff, some different terrain. It'll be interesting. I don't know how well dirt bikes will do on it, but I know quads will do fine. So this is like the best tool for everything we've done down here. We use this every video that you guys have seen, and every trail that we make, we use these. They're just loppers. I think we got them from like Home Depot, or just you can find them anywhere at any, I don't know, local hardware store. It doesn't even need to be a hardware store, it's just anywhere. But they're super useful for everything. I cannot stress enough how much I love these things. Like this branch right here, you can just chop, gone. And that's what we usually do. And then to pull out the stumps, we're gonna get a quad, and we just bring my quad down here, dig out a little bit by the bottom, and then rip out the stump. So this is the trail building. Done on it today, so I have to go to lacrosse, but I will see you guys tomorrow where we will finish up this exit, and it will look pretty good, and we might test it with the quad. Yeah, see you then. Goodbye. Hello everybody, this is day 2 of the trail build series, episode 2. Hope you guys enjoy. So for today, we're gonna just try and get this cleared out right here. It's just some foliage. We're gonna get this cleared out, and then hopefully today we can test how well the quad does on the trail. Yesterday, as you guys can see, we got a lot done down here on the trail. All we have to do is chop that branch and clear this up a bit. We might mellow it out to make it a little bit of an easier hill climb. I don't know, we'll figure that out, or we'll make it more sideways. I don't know. We have to figure this out. Hello everybody. So I was walking up this way just to check it out, see how steep it was, and I noticed these plants right here, and they looked to me kind of like poison ivy. I have only come in contact with it a few times, so I just pulled up my Google Pixel XL, and you just go to the camera app swipe over to more, and then click lens, and it'll actually bring up like results for it in your area. All you gotta do is get down nice and low, take a photo of it, and bring it back. And ground elder is most likely what it is, not poison ivy. So this is good. Like yesterday, I got my trusty loppers, and I'm going to be working from the ground up, or from the bottom of the hill up, and we are going to get this trail done and tested with the quad today. So see you in the time lapse. As you guys can now see behind me, and you just saw in the time lapse, this is now done, and we are going to test it. So, cut to the helmet cam. Of course, just as I'm about to take you guys riding, guess whose helmet cam just ripped off and broke? It ripped off like this vinyl, or not vinyl, I don't know, this coating on top. If you guys want to send me a new helmet, that is so steep. Now I can show you guys trying to get down. I don't really want to risk it though, so yeah, sorry, I'm not gonna try and go down again. It's just so steep. I'm a pretty experienced rider. I don't know. I don't like the thought of going down. It's too steep. I already went down earlier testing it, but I didn't get it on film because the GoPro stopped recording. So that's not that good. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out what we can do with this. In the meantime, this has been Dirt United. I'm Andrew. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Goodbye.